after it blooms, I would clean this up. So things that are going out kind of horizontally, I get rid of that, go all the way down to the base.
Okay.
This one, I'd go here. Okay?
Yeah.
This guy leaning. I mean, I might even go higher, lower. Yeah, these ones are growing up.
Yep.
And these are coming out. These little suckers are your new trunks. So periodically, you can get rid of the thicker ones, but they don't seem to be too thick
Okay.
right now. But for later, like you have all these little trunks coming up.
Yep.
You can thin them every so often and get rid of the thicker ones.
Okay.
But certainly anything that's sprawling,
Yep.
I would get rid of. And anything that's broken, going down, going into the plant. It's like your regular sort of pruning protocol or whatever.
Yep.
So that's what I would do here
Okay.
after they bloom. What this needs, in my opinion, is a massive prune back, or like rejuvenation pruning.
Yep.
I would wait until after it blooms in the
Okay.
spring.
Mhm.
Then I would mow this thing down to the ground.
Oh,
But I would leave all the little suckers
okay.
that are already coming up, that are your
Oh.
new trunks.
Okay.
And I would let that be your new plant. But I
Yeah.
would tighten this way up, get rid of this, this
Yeah.
whole thing that's sprawling everywhere.
Well, they keep breaking. I mean, it's
Yeah,
just,
right.
gets
No,
hurt
it's
every
just-
year.
Right, it's in
Yeah.
bad shape.